What's happening YouTube? Today we're gonna justify why we bought this $3,500 Vision Pro. There's a few apps that I like about this, and we're gonna show you that today. I do like it personally because of the hardware and the technology behind it. But yeah, we're gonna justify it today. Let's go.
A few moments later.
But after using it for a bit, about 20 minutes, I'll have to take a break here. I'll just do a little bit of editing on my MacBook first. What is going on right now? We have the beach ball of death. Why does it take so long to edit this? So your Mac is slow too. Maybe you have a PC computer that's slow, iPhone, maybe Android that's slow as well. Now the problem with these devices is that after a while they get bogged down with multiple files. Sometimes you download something in the internet and it's a malware or a virus. If you're online, you're vulnerable to these threats. Did you know that there's 1 billion emails that are exposed in every single year and affecting 1 in 5 internet users? That is a lot of people getting attacked and getting their information, their identity, their bank accounts stolen from them. But we have a solution today, which is the Combo Cleaner. With Combo Cleaner, you'll be able to have the most comprehensive and complete utilities application for your Mac, PC, Android, and iOS. To download this, all you gotta do is go to their website here, combocleaner.com. Hit download and allow. You gotta bring it to the applications there. Hit the applications app right there. And you'll see Combo Cleaner right there. Once that's done, you go ahead and click Start Scan. And then it'll go through all the files in your computer. After that, it'll show you how much you can save on your files, on your memory, and also on your CPU load. After it finished scanning, it was able to detect that there is one virus. So now we're gonna hit remove and it'll allow to remove that for us automatically. Now to download it on your iPhone or Android, all you have to do is go to the App Store or Play Store, go search Combo Cleaner, and go ahead and sign up and you'll be good to go. Combo Cleaner can protect your internet browsing, block scams, phishing, rogue websites, and malicious downloads. It can protect your identity as well by checking your email if it was compromised in an online breach. It also has SMS and calendar security, which protects you from malicious links in messages and calendars. And it has VPN, which encrypts your internet traffic and hides your location. And if you want to clean up old files that you don't need on your computer, this is the best way to do it. This will keep your Mac and PC clutter-free and virus-free. So what are you waiting for? Check out the link down in the description below. All new users downloading the Combo Cleaner will get 80% off. Now, if only you can get like Combo Cleaner for your Vision Pro. Maybe one day. Now, just to give you a little bit of background, I actually have the Quest 3 and the Quest Pro, and I've used this for a few years now. You know, ever since it came out, I actually had it on hand, and I'm very excited with VR technology. But what I found with the Vision Pro is actually not the VR experience of it, but the spatial experience of what it gives you on the Vision Pro. What I mean by that is, for example, this game is a puzzle game and it's a 3D puzzle game. And with the hand recognition and the eye tracking technology of the Vision Pro, I actually like it a lot. It's very intuitive. It's super fast. There's no lag when you are using it. And your hands are free without any controllers. Now, of course, if you're using it for a more intensive game like the Quest 3 has or the Quest Pro has, then you will need a controller. For example, I had a video showing you guys me playing on a PS5 link and a Steam link. Of course, for those kind of video games, you will need a controller. But for this type of intuitive spatial style of games and apps, I really like that I don't need a controller. The next thing that I like is that the biggest concern with the Vision Pro is that it doesn't have any apps. I really like how there's so many developers under Apple's developing program that are doing a great job updating and pushing a lot of apps out there. Now, it would be nice if we have YouTube VR on this, or maybe Netflix VR as well. But as of right now, it's not at the time of recording, it's not yet out there. But at least we have different apps that you can watch a concert. There's the Disney Plus that has the immersive environment, kind of like being in this Tatooine area here, and many other apps. Now, the next thing that I like about the Vision Pro is actually the technology behind it, because the I mentioned that earlier, and that Vision Pro actually has so many advancements in it. I was watching one of the YouTubers that all he does is test out enterprise type of VR headsets. And one of the stories that he said was that when he was testing one of the most higher end $10,000 type of enterprise VR headsets. These type of VR headsets still needs to be connected to a PC, and it needs to be powered separately. Meaning they draw a lot of power and it's not as efficient compared to the Vision Pro. Now, the Vision Pro actually has an M2 chip inside, which is, I think it's not being utilized with many apps that are available right now. So for me, this is a great investment for the future. And no, I don't think it's gonna be like the Quest 3 at any point in time, for gaming wise anyway. But just to have the greatest and latest technology that you can have out there is really cool for me as a tech enthusiast. Now, of course, for normal people, this is not really a big deal. They don't really want to be the first people that want to buy something and there's no apps for it. But for me, just to have my hands on the Vision Pro was really exciting. It's like when you first bought your first iPhone, or your first Note came out, or the first Fold came out. You're really excited about the technology itself. Nowadays, if you buy an iPhone, it's gonna be pretty similar phone from the last year. So it's not a big deal. But now Apple is able to innovate with the Vision Pro, and I'm really excited to just get my hands on it. Now, the last thing I would point out is that this is awesome when you are doing a lot of plane rides. I do a lot of travels. If you're always a passenger, this is great because you can, in the plane, you have to like hook up your phone, or you're gonna like put your tablet on like that headrest or whatever, and you just need to buy a mount for it. In this case, you just wear the Vision Pro and you're good to go. You could do everything that you can do on your phone, iPad, or whatever without having to mount your phone or iPad. You just put on your goggles and you're ready to go. Now, of course, I told you guys that we're gonna try to justify buying the Vision Pro, but honestly, for all of you, I don't recommend buying the Vision Pro just because it's the first gen product and there's no apps for it, and there's really no software that really utilizes the potential of the hardware for this yet. But if you want to try it out, you can do a demo in the Apple Store. I would definitely recommend that. That's a great experience when I did that. Or if you know someone, go ahead and test it out. Do like a guest mode on the Vision Pro, on their Vision Pro, and go ahead and test it out. You'll definitely feel like it's a new, feels, fresh type of device. But it's not definitely a snag for me. That's I cannot justify it for you guys. Now, if you have 3,500 laying around somewhere, then go ahead. But that's a lot of money. Like, for example, you can buy a MacBook with that, right? That's why I don't recommend this for everyone to buy. But that's really it for today, everyone. Sorry I wasn't able to justify it for you if you're looking for this video so that you can buy it for yourself. Sorry that was not the goal, I guess. Thanks for watching anyways. Everything will be linked down below. If you want to check out more accessories for the Vision Pro, that would be down there as well. Thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.